Is the Sovora Vacuum Cleaner a legitimate cleaning tool, or is it just another scam? Let's take a closer look. The Sovora Vacuum Cleaner is marketed as a compact, versatile cleaning solution for homes, cars, and small spaces. Its lightweight design, affordable price, and promise of powerful suction have caught the attention of buyers seeking convenience. However, reviews are mixed. Some users praise its portability and effectiveness for light cleaning tasks, like crumbs and dust. Others, however, report issues such as weak suction power, short battery life, and poor durability, making it less reliable for regular use. Complaints about slow shipping, unhelpful customer service, and difficulty with refunds have also been common. Additionally, the lack of detailed specifications and transparency about the brand raises concerns about its legitimacy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.